Rolling down the road on a normal day, traffic flowing nicely on the way. Then the car ahead begins to roam, 'cause the driver's busy on their phone. Speed goes up then slows again, drifting like a shopping trolley's friend. Eyes looking down instead of ahead, while the lights change color up ahead. Screen is glowing, thumb goes round, but the road's not where their focus is found. You'd think by now the message is known. Driving and phones don't belong. Put the phone down, hands on the wheel. Road ahead is kind of a big deal. It's been illegal since December 1st, 2003, that rule came first. Put the phone down, here's the score. 6 points waiting at the door. 200 pounds if you're caught on a phone, so maybe leave that thing at home. Lane starts wandering left and right, brake lights flashing in broad daylight. Driver staring at a glowing screen, missing everything in between. Green lights shining but they don't move, everyone behind starts to disapprove. Little beep from a horn or two, still staring at that screen in view. One quick glance turns into three. Suddenly you drift across a lane or two. That tiny screen might feel important, but the road should take priority. Put the phone down, hands on the wheel. Road ahead is kind of a big deal. It's been illegal since December 1st, 2003, that rule came first. Oh, put the phone down, here's the score. 6 points waiting at the door. 200 pounds if you're caught on a phone, so maybe leave that thing at home. Notification buzzing somewhere near, but the steering wheel is why you're here. Messages wait, they'll still be there, but the road needs your full repair. Police lights flashing in the mirror bright, suddenly the screens aren't worth the fight. Points on your license, lesson learned, all for attention that should have been earned. Put the phone down, eyes ahead, keep your focus on the road instead. Since 2003 the rule's been known. Driving's not the time for the phone. Put the phone down, nice and clear. 6 points and 200 pounds this year. Dashcam rolling with a knowing tone. Another driver on their phone.